Hello friends, hope you are all doing well. In today's video we will discuss how to increase the size between points on a graph that you plotted on origin. So here you can see like different types of heavy metals are plotted on x-axis like cadmium, copper, lead, chromium and all. So I want to make a gap between cadmium and cobalt heavy metals points, and for that what I need to do, this is the data that I use for plotting the graph. So here you can see I have added the data on x-axis and y-axis without having any space between rows. So first of all, if I click on second and alternate rows, you can say like first and after first, if I can add a space or a new row that is totally empty, and then add the third row with values, it will help to create a gap between the heavy metals. Like for example, here you can see the graph again. I want the gap between cadmium and cobalt, and here these points are merged together. In order to make the graph more clear, I want some space between those points. So what I will do, I just click on second row here. Here you can see a black arrow, and then I will right click, and this menu bar will open, and here you can select insert row. So this row will be inserted. That you don't need to put any data in this row, keep this row as empty. Okay, in the same way, third row will contain the data for heavy metal, and fourth row will also be empty. So just click on fourth row and then right click and click on insert row. Fourth will be empty, and then other row will contain data, and after that make the row empty. Or you can say like you have to keep one row data in one row and keep the other row as empty. This will help in creating the space between the data points on x-axis. Okay, so I'm creating the space between in between the rows. Like it's just like alternate data, like data empty row, data empty row, data empty row. Okay, so once you created this data, if and then if you go to graph, you can see here the space has been created. So in this way you can create the space between the points of different metals. And here you can also adjust the axis of the graph as well. Like we have already discussed these main formatting issues in previous videos of this playlist. If you have not checked them all, you can go to the previous videos and check them. Okay, so and how to install the origin and how to start with origin we have already discussed. I will also paste the link of this playlist in the description, you can also check. So here in this way you can create the space between the data points, just to make the graph more clear and concise and easy to read. So stay tuned with young researchers. If you like the video, if it is helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned. We will come for with more informative videos in coming videos inshallah. And Allah Hafiz.